How to open a big file in Notepad++? I tried opening a file of 800 MB size in Notepad++. But I don't why Notepad++ showed only 269,117,242 chars, 271,450,112 bytes. Neither it showed any alert message that it is unable to open such a big file. Then I used WordPad to open the same file. It worked like charm. But why Notepad++ can't open 800 MB file? I assume there must be some setting which says show only this much text. P.S. Please don't suggest any other software which can open big files. I know they exist.
Notepad++ doesn't support huge files, according to this wiki documentation. The problem persists if the component, scintilla, remains as the core of Notepad++. Older versions of Notepad++ may crash while opening very large files. Newer versions, 5.2+, will deny opening the file and issue an error message. Why is that? Notepad++ is based on a component, scintilla, which is geared towards providing rich text viewing, with syntax highlighting and code folding, as opposed to bulk text services. There are necessary trade-offs. Loading a 200 MB file will require around 800 MB of memory, and the OS may balk at the memory allocation request. There are basically two ways out. Split the huge file into manageable chunks, and keep only one of them in editor. Use another tool which is tailored to handle massive text files. If you still manage to open a large file, performance may not be optimal. Here is a couple things to think about. Plugins which analyze and scan text will slow down NP++. Disable them if possible. Parsing for clickable links on loading the document is slow if the document is large. Disabling the clickable links has been reported to significantly help. Another page on SourceForge also suggests that this problem persists throughout Notepad++'s life, as the community requested to solve this problem. Why don't you try other software such as Vim? Is there any reason?
Syntax highlighting is one of the main sources of slow performance in Notepad++. If you're about to open a massive HTML, PHP, etc. file in Notepad++, then you should first disable the syntax highlighting for that file by going to Language and GT, N and GT Normal Text. You should also disable clickable links. To do that, navigate to Settings and GT, Preferences and GT, Miscellaneous and GT, Clickable Link Settings and uncheck the Enable checkbox.
Promise to get my